Hey, Kevin here, and this is the part 2 addition to Welcome to My Nightmare. We have been sitting waiting now for about 7 weeks, and our new cabinets just showed up. As you recall, these cabinets were the original cabinets we picked out. They came subpar for a number of reasons. Some of them were damaged, some of them were just not well built or well finished for various reasons. You'll see that all the doors are off because we sent them all back to the manufacturer, and they sent us new doors only to find out when they were delivered to Home Depot and they inspected them that none of them passed their inspection either. They decided to give us a kitchen upgrade, so they gave us a $4,000 upgrade into the next level of cabinetry, which was very nice of them. And so the problem was these were a 3-week delivery and then a 3-week re-delivery on the new pieces that didn't turn out any better. But the new cabinets were 6 weeks to deliver, and so they just delivered those this afternoon. So we've been sitting for the better part of 7 weeks, almost 2 months now, and now we are having to unload everything out of the kitchen again and put it who knows where, because we don't have a very big house. And so it's just going to be a big jigsaw puzzle, to say the least. So now we have to uninstall all the cabinetry that we have in here, take it back to Home Depot, get our credit back, and then reinstall the new cabinets, which are sitting out on our patio, taking up the whole patio right now. Yay. So let's go take a look at one and see what they look like. This is a different manufacturer. Supposed to be a better grade of cabinets. So let's see what they look like. They're packed better, I can tell you that. It says something about the different cabinet company.
There's actually a protective material inside there.
Yeah. So we got what was probably the same color or the closest color that they had to match. Yeah. Not sure.
Do not tell me those are damaged.
Alright, I won't tell you.
Not good. Soft close.
Soft close,
Very
which
nice.
is a nice upgrade. I guess this is sort of a thing in the wood. More than anything.
Let's open another one. Open that big one right there.
This one?
Yeah.
They also delivered these to our door, which the other company, we had to go pick them up at the store and bring them home ourselves.
Where's the front?
You're seeing them the first time we're seeing them. We have a nice plastic and corrugated paper surrounding them. I think that looks pretty nice.
Yeah, that's one of the uppers.
Yeah. I think we got a better deal. I don't know.
Love the color.
Yeah, it's got a good
That
rich.
wood looks much nicer. Look at that.
Yeah. So we got to get them all opened up and inspected. We got 7 days from the time they delivered for that to happen. So we got to get through all of them, and hopefully they're all in good repair, so we can hang them up and get them off our patio and put our kitchen back together. And then we need to go down and get the countertops, which we don't have sitting here yet because we don't have any space, and the sink, which is sitting down in one of our storage buildings, and cut it in, and then hopefully we will have our finished kitchen. It's only taken us 3.5 months to try to get something that should have taken
For a little kitchen with 13 cabinets.
3 weeks. Right. So stay tuned. We'll let you know what happens. Just thought we'd give you a little update on the kitchen disaster, if you will. So hopefully we come out ahead on the deal. We're supposed to have a much nicer grade of cabinetry when we get done, so at least a little bit of consolation for all the pain and suffering we're going through in the process. So okay, off with the old, on with the new, ready for round 2.